Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to turn on or off big picture mode on Steam in just a few steps, okay? So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, we need to open our account, of course, the Steam software, and log in our account using our username and password. And also we need our two-factor authentication. So after that guys, after logging in, all we need to do is to go to the top right corner and you will see the this icon guys, this entire or enter big picture mode, this icon guys. Okay, you just have to click that one to turn on our big picture mode on Steam. Okay, okay, there you go. So here's the big picture mode on Steam. So it's actually looks not so nice. Okay, I love it, guys. So after that, guys, how are we going to turn off this big picture mode? You just have to tap the ESC. Okay, have to tap that one and click this power and look for exit big picture mode. So click that one. Okay, we successfully exit the big picture mode on Steam. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.